Good night, my name is Jessica Pardo. Unit 2, Task 4, Speaking Task Forum and Practice. Last year, on a trip to the coffee axis together with my family, when we go to the coffee, when we went to the cabin we rented and we ate went to our room. After that we went to the pool for a while to the relax and then we played and bigger time with my uncle and my brother. The next day we went to Calle Finlandia and took a little tour. Then we went a restaurant for lunch, and we finished, we ate back to the cabin to get ready and go to the silver wedding. Then we prepared for my parents and in a small kimbaya church, and the end of the ceremony we went back to the cabin where we had the reception ready. We spent the night celebrating, and the next day we took up early to go the coffee park. We go to coffee park. We go on cable cars which took us to the park attraction. To go out of the attraction, we were guided by a map that was delivered to us the entrance. The first attraction to which we got on it was a cyclone. When we got off this, felt a little dizzy. Feeling better, we went to another attraction, which was the cars track. After that we went the other attraction, and we went to lunch and one of the park restaurant. After lunch we went to continue riding in the other attraction of the park, which were 3 different roller coasters. The summit, the rapids, the bumper boats, the bumper cars and weather mountain, while the did and tal tour in came. The night and we went to the main squares to see the fireworks, and finally we really went to the cable cars to take us to the exit of the park. Then went to the cabin to restart, or to the next day to get things ready and return home.